The Dynamic Window Manager (DWM) is an incredibly powerful and versatile window manager for Linux. It allows you to customize the look, feel, and behavior of your desktop environment, giving you complete control over how you interact with your computer. With its configurable layout, you can customize the look of your windows, position them however you want, and even group them together. You can also adjust the behavior of applications, like how they start when you open them. DWM makes it easy to manage your workspace by allowing you to divide your screen into sections, or views, that each have their own specific windows. Switching between views is as easy as a single press of a key, making it fast and easy to switch between tasks. Plus, you can also use predefined rules and hotkeys to customize the behavior of each view, allowing you to automate and quickly execute tasks. Beyond its powerful window management features, DWM also has a range of customization options. You can set bar colors, font size, and even hide it altogether. With the right tools, you can create your own themes and apply them to the entire system. You can also use scripts to quickly switch between layouts, allowing you to quickly adjust to different tasks as needed. DWM is an incredibly powerful and flexible window manager, and is a great choice for anyone looking for a powerful and customizable way to manage their workspace. With the right resources, you can easily tweak and customize it to fit your needs, and make your Linux experience even more enjoyable. Additionally, DWM has great integration with third-party applications, allowing you to quickly access them from your taskbar. This makes it easy to launch applications, send emails, and more. Dmenu is a powerful application launcher for Linux systems that saves users time when switching between applications. It provides users with a comprehensive and organized overview of installed software and can also be used to launch specific settings within applications. Dmenu also has a range of features that surpass alternative launchers. It allows users to search through applications not just by name, but also by description, allowing for more precise searches. Additionally, it has a wide range of options that can be configured to suit the user's preferences. Now, let's move on to how to install Dmenu. Installing the application is simple, and can be done via the command line on Linux distributions, or by downloading and compiling a source file. Once Dmenu is installed, you can customize the settings by editing a configuration file, which allows you to change the layout, font, and colors. slstatus is a command line utility that displays system information, such as current memory and CPU usage, network connections, and more. It can be used to monitor the performance of your system in real time, making it a powerful resource for Linux users. Let's take a look at a practical example of using slstatus. We can see here that the system is currently using 18% of its memory and 12% of its CPU. In addition to displaying system information, slstatus also offers advanced customization options. You can configure the command line utility to display only the data you need, and you can also customize the way it looks. Now that you know what slstatus is, why not try it out for yourself? With its powerful features, slstatus can be a great tool for monitoring the performance of your system. DWM relies heavily on key bindings to manage windows and perform actions. By default, DWM uses the Alt key as the modifier key. For example, Alt plus Shift plus Enter will open a new terminal window, and Alt plus Shift plus C will close the current window. DWM supports different layout modes for arranging windows. By default, DWM uses the tiled layout, which arranges windows in a grid. You can switch between layouts using the Mod key plus spacebar shortcut. DWM also supports other layouts, such as monocle, floating, and grid. You can customize the default layout by editing the config.def.h file and make a clean install. One of the unique features of DWM is that it is highly patchable. There are many patches available for DWM that can add new features or customize existing ones. To apply a patch to DWM, you need to download the patch file and apply it to the DWM source code. For example, let's say you want to apply the AutoStart patch to DWM. Here are the steps to do it. 1. Download the patch file from the DWM website or from a patch repository. cd into the .config/DWM directory where we downloaded the patch. 3. Apply the patch to the DWM source code using the patch command. For example, patch p1 DWM autostart.diff. 4. Recompile and install DWM using the make command. For example, sudo make clean install. 5. Restart DWM for the changes to take effect. For example, you can restart DWM by logging out and logging back in. Regardless of your experience level, DWM is a great way to manage your Windows and customize your Linux experience. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, you can take advantage of its powerful features and enjoy the freedom that comes with open source software. DWM is a lightweight and customizable window manager that can greatly enhance your productivity and workflow. In this video, we covered the installation and basic configuration of DWM, as well as some advanced features like applying patches. If you want to learn more about DWM or explore some of the patches available, I recommend checking out the official DWM website or the DWM patch repository. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments in the section below. If you want to see how to install and customize DWM on Arch Linux, please watch the playlist as linked above. Thank you for watching, and enjoy using Linux.